So now we're gonna remove the old seals, and I can't find videos about it on YouTube, this particular seal. But what I've noticed is, if you just grab the seal, the wiper seal that is, that's it. That's all.
Why are we replacing our seals?
They're 17 years old and the top is starting to leak. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get in here and I'm going to clean all this up.
Oh, because what is that?
Looks like mold.
Oh.
It's just trapped behind the seal.
Yeah, but there shouldn't be any moisture behind there, right?
Shouldn't be, but at the top, see that corner? See where the seal is broke? See where it's cracked into?
Okay.
Do you see it? That's letting in moisture. So this is a double bulb wiper seal with the slide-on clip. So once it clips on, there's little teeth in it that grab. No 3M tape, no screws. And this one is 2 inches wide by 2 1/4 tall. So 2 inches wide this way by 2 1/4 this way, and it comes in 28-foot lengths. And compared to our other one, which is really hard, this is the old one.
Okay.
Here's the new one.
Oh, I see.
Big difference. This was on Amazon and it was right at 90 bucks for 28 foot. We have a 13-foot slide. Should be just the right size to do a 13-foot slide. Yeah, just take it out of the box, and they said let it sit in the sun for a little bit and it makes it more pliable.
Okay.
Now we start the cleaning process. Where's paper towels?
In here.
That's what my wife is for, to keep up with everything. Welcome to the junk box. When you live full-time on the road, every little spot counts.
There are other people that make theirs look really nice, though.
Mine's normally really nice.
No, I'm just saying, we're not those people. I feel like I'm walking in a spider web.
I think I hit that too.
So I went from looking like that to looking like this.
Yep. Here's our top piece. Water. That's behind it. That's water getting in. And both ends are split.
Oh.
Which just allowed everything to go in. And it's got the little, it's got metal in it.
Mm-hmm.
So kind of clip the metal.
Why's it got metal in it?
That's so that's what clips it on. See these little rubber teeth?
Yeah.
Alright, there's a piece of metal running right here, and that keeps that stout.
Oh.
That keeps it from spreading apart and falling off.
How are you uploading this video?
Nomad Internet. And if you need Nomad Internet, mobile internet, link will be in the description below. I don't think, by looking at it, that there's one side or the other. Nothing indicates that it goes a certain way. I see why this is cut a little bit, because you can't slide it over because there's nothing to that piece that goes downwards hits up against it. That's why it's cut a little bit. Alrighty, let's see how this works out. I'm gonna make sure to try and get it. Make sure to get that all the way over there. Okay, so I got that part in there, and then instead of the ones with the 3M tape and all that.
Why you keep knocking the 3M tape?
I'm not knocking the 3M tape. There's some that come out and you have to peel off 3M tape, and then you got to put a piece of metal on top of it. On top of that and the 3M tape. Like up under our slide, you'll see that. This is a whole lot easier. Alright. Are you recording?
Yes.
You better leave what I say in. Anything hotter than where we are right now is my wife.
Shut up.
Better not cut that out.
Yep.
I guess I ate it.
How could you lose the dikes and the...
No, I have the dice in my pocket.
Then where's the razor blade?
I handed it back to you.
No, you didn't.
I know you didn't.
William, that's not good. You sure you didn't tuck it in up under there?
I might have. Well, that was the bring it back out.
That's not good, William. How could you lose stuff like that so fast? I hope you didn't put it in your pocket. You did. You cut the things up front. Now that is not good. That's a new one. You can't go in there and get a new one and say you found it. No, you didn't. There's a damn razor blade in our slide somewhere.
Found it.
Just be careful putting your hands in your pocket, okay?
I just emptied my pockets.
Okay, good.
I didn't empty.
What you did with it?
I handed it back to you.
You wish you did.
Don't you remember?
We gotta find it, because if some kid comes
I know.
playing, yeah, I know, exactly.
You need to figure out how to get it past this piece. I can't get my fingers in there,
Yeah.
so I'm using the spoon to go behind there and push it forward. See?
Yeah.
And the Windex is helping.
It is? Okay.
See how dirty? No, I'm being serious. It's helping, see?
Oh, that's good. So you were struggling for a while.
I was. Let's see how much too long it is.
Yeah. Okay. I thought we wouldn't have enough.
I thought so. Love bugs. It's right there.
You remember where you put this razor?
Oh, there's a lot more room on this side.
Oh, there
Our
is?
slide needs to come over. Yeah, our slide, look at it. Hello!
How did it move over?
I don't know, but we need to bump it over.
Oh yeah, you put that one right in.
Yeah. Just put my hand behind it. There's the boss. Get the boss. Get to work. The boss is here. Adams, what are you doing, buddy? Man, I'm checking your progress. Alright, buddy.
I'm sweaty. Your hair's gonna stick to me.
Hey, don't talk about the boss like that. Go a little bit below it. Don't do like me. Get a razor knife.
Don't you have a razor knife?
I have a few of them.
Okay, that's what I thought.
So the question is, why are you not using that? That is the $1 million question. I handed my wife this razor blade.
No, you did not.
And she left it on top of the slide. That could have punctured our slide. But no. I was trying to tell her. Set it right there with the other stuff. She didn't listen.
So, where did you put it?
It got caught in the new slide. I mean in the new seal. It just slid across, nothing happened.
Where?
Seal's all done. Let me take the ladder now.
Yep, he did a good job. Looks really nice.